Let's in the meantime get you more reactions coming in on part of the Congress party, including that of the Congress party president Mallikarjun Kharge, who has hit out at the BJP, suggesting that this is yet again the party has insulted the farmers of the country. Yes, Pratibha.
Right, reaction from the Congress president Mallikarjun Kharge, Amita. He has tweeted it in Hindi. Let me translate it. Even after the martyrdom of 750 farmers, the anti-farmer BJP and Modi government did not realize their grave crime. There is talk of re-implementing the 3 anti-farmer laws. The Congress party strongly opposes this. The Modi government, which crushed the farmers under vehicles, used barbed wires, tear gas from drones, nails and guns against our food providers or annadatas. There is something that 62 crore farmers of India will never forget. This time, the farmers from all the electoral states, including Haryana, will give a befitting reply to the derogatory remarks of the Prime Minister in Parliament due to the statements made by Modi ji, his ministers, MPs, and propaganda machinery. They have become accustomed to insulting farmers, he says. He goes on to also list out in the last 10 years what the Modi government has promised and allegedly not fulfilled, or the promises that were broken. He has spoken about farmers' income being doubled by 2022, implementation of input cost, 50% MSP as per Swaminathan report, MSP having legal status. So clearly is going to have an indication in the Haryana elections. Congress president taking to social media X to say that the reports that are coming and the statements that are coming in from MPs, ministers is an indication of what's going to come next.
All right, Pratibha, thank you for that update. Let me take that forward to Amandeep, who's joining us right now, because Amandeep, it's the election season. Haryana elections are going to happen very soon, and we talk about Kangana Ranaut's statement. That also is not happening for the first time. Of course, this time she's acknowledged that her views are her personal ones and not that of the parties.
Well, absolutely, Amita, and in fact, even while giving the statement, he realized that this might get controversial, but still she has given this statement. And again, the BJP has separated themselves from this entire statement, and in fact turned out to be the personal personal view and personal comments of Kangana Ranaut, just because the farmer issue is in the middle of the Haryana elections, and in fact BJP is trying to just diffuse that movement that was created by the farmers against BJP during Shambhu border, during Singhu border, and even several political parties are trying to stamp BJP as an anti-farmer party, and even this is adding fuel to that. Now the Congress party is trying to encash that entire statement of Kangana and connecting that statement with the Haryana elections and fueling that entire issue once again, and in fact labeling BJP party as anti-farmer party. So somewhere down the line, the Congress is trying to give a political dent in the state of Haryana through this statement of Kangana Ranaut, but BJP has separated themselves. Even the Prime Minister's rally today in Gohana, earlier he addressed the rally in Kurukshetra, he addressed the farmers, and in fact he put out a statement that if the Congress is so much pro-farmer political party, why they are not implementing their schemes in the Karnataka and Himachal Pradesh. So even farmer is a core issue of Haryana elections, and BJP and Congress party, they both are focusing on this issue, and in fact BJP is trying to make them realize that what the center government has done for the farmers and how they are getting the direct incomes direct in their bank accounts without any broker or without any middleman. So there are certain kind of issues, but farmer is in the mid of the entire issue, and in fact Kangana's statement is now turned out to be the controversial, and Congress party is trying to encash that statement politically in Haryana elections.
But of course, not just when it comes to the Congress party itself, we are looking at even when it comes to the farmer leaders who have come out and hit out at Kangana Ranaut for the statements that she's been making, as Amandeep was also pointing out, because the row that seems to have escalated and coming at a time when Haryana elections are to take place, and would it have some sort of a bearing on the elections itself, because here the BJP this time has distanced itself again from what Kangana Ranaut has said, and we believe there has been another reaction that has now come on part of Kangana Ranaut, the BJP MP herself, as far as she's issued a statement rather, and asking the people there to listen to this, as she says that I stand with my party regarding the farmers' law. Jai Hind. Let's listen into what she's posted.
नमस्ते दोस्तों, पिछले बीते कुछ दिनों में मीडिया ने मुझसे फार्मर्स लॉ पे कुछ सवाल किए, और मैंने ये सुझाव दिया कि किसानों को फार्मर्स लॉ वापस लाने का प्रधानमंत्री जी से निवेदन करना चाहिए। मेरी इस बात से बहुत सारे लोग निराश हैं और डिसअपॉइंटेड हैं। जब फार्मर्स लॉ प्रपोज हुए थे तो हम बहुत सारे लोगों ने जो है उनका समर्थन किया था, लेकिन बड़ी ही संवेदनशीलता से और सहानुभूति से हमारे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने वो लॉज जो थे वापस ले लिए थे। और ये हम सब कार्यकर्ताओं का कर्तव्य बनता है कि हम उनके शब्दों की गरिमा रखें। मुझे ये बात भी ध्यान रखनी होगी कि मैं अब एक कलाकार नहीं, भारतीय जनता पार्टी की कार्यकर्ता हूँ और मेरे ओपिनियंस अपने नहीं होने चाहिए, वो पार्टी का स्टैंड होना चाहिए। तो अगर मैंने अपने शब्दों से और अपनी सोच से किसी को डिसअपॉइंट किया है, मुझे खेद रहेगा। आई टेक माई वर्ड्स बैक। थैंक यू।